So I'm gonna add 2 more pieces of hair, and then I'm gonna show y'all the whole braid, and then I'm gonna come back and show y'all when I'm finished with everything. So, ooh, y'all know ponytails is my signature. Anyway.
Okay, so what's up? I'm Fat Ash, my booty flat, I be twerking anyways, and remember to spread love and not hate. So today I'm just doing some DIY goddess box braids, and I've been box braiding my hair since 9th grade, but I've never done actual goddess braids before. So it's my first time. Right now I am just sectioning off my hair with rubber bands and edge wax, and I'm starting off on freshly shampooed, moisturized, and blow dried hair. I'm not sure how many packs of hair I use because the hair is really old, but I would say around 4 packs, and I use the old school, like Marley twist braiding hair. And the hair I use for the curls, I just had a wig, and so yeah. Now I'm about to show you how I actually do the braid. I don't know why I didn't explain this in the video, but you want to have the ends of the hair kind of straggled so the braid can be like a natural length and it won't be a blunt end. I bought it off of Amazon. Like, I would never wear this wig in real life. But I bought this wig off Amazon a long time ago. So how I'm going to do it, I'm going to start it off like this, and then when I start braiding it, I'm going to divide it into 2. The easier way for me to start a box braid. I know how to start it like this, but this way is easier for me to do it on somebody else's head. But the way that I start it on my head is like this. And then once I start braiding, before I get to the end, I'm going to break it into 3 pieces. So how you start it? The knot's right here. You have the 2 pieces, you put it, middle finger, put it in there. The middle finger also holds that. Then you grab your hair piece. And you start braiding. Once you do 2 or 3 braid passes, you want to take the Marley hair or braiding hair and separate it with your real hair to make the 3rd piece bigger, so you can blend it with your natural hair. This is part of the video when my fingers start bleeding from the naps. But yeah, you braid down till you pass your real hair, and then when you get ready to add the curl, this is how I do it. You take it and split it, and whatever hand you like to add hair with, it doesn't matter to me. I think I haven't been box braiding in a long time. I've been bald for a long time, and I've had dreads. I can't remember which hand is my favorite, but I can do either one. But whichever hand you're gonna add the hair with, you want your pointer finger. You want to add it on the pointer finger. I think it's easy. Then you grab it with your pointer finger and go. You gotta leave a piece to the front, and then keep braiding. Bear with me, like I said, this is my first time doing the box braids with the curl. But to keep the hair separated, you want to hold it in your mouth, or you can, just braid it in there. You can let the curl hang out. And that was like 3 more braids, so now that I know that it's in there, I'm gonna take it and separate it out. If you add the curl in there like you're just adding regular braiding extensions, like I did here, it will kind of get tangled with the braiding hair. So I suggest you just hold it in your mouth to keep it separated. I'm gonna cut it because it's gonna get tangled into the braiding hair. I don't think I showed the other way that I was talking about, but pretty much when you keep it separated, it will be a long curly piece and a short curly piece. But braid it down 4 more times, and then separate out the short curly piece, and you'll have like, different lengths of curls hanging out the braid. I eventually figured that out after doing a few more braids, but I don't think I showed it in the video, so that's just a little fun fact, little tip. Braid fall to the front, so it don't get mixed up. And you kind of want to watch it, make sure it don't get jumbled up. That's why I say keep it in your mouth, because you kind of keep it held down.
So I'm gonna add 2 more pieces of hair, and then I'm gonna show y'all the whole braid, and then I'm gonna come back and show y'all when I'm finished with everything. So this is what it look like. Period. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, this is my new favorite hairstyle. Can y'all come here? Ooh. Yeah, seriously, I think this is my new favorite hairstyle, because dreads, braids, and twists, and box braids, are my favorite hairstyles. In general, I like protective styles. I don't like to deal with my hair.
I don't like to look at it. I don't like to see it every day. You know what I'm saying? But when it gets longer, I will start, twisting my natural hair.
And eventually, I want my dreads back. So, yeah. I'm not no fashion weave killer, but I do believe that Jesus died on the cross so I could wear box braids. Okay.
But you probably never see me with a sew-in or a wig because Jesus died on the cross, so I can wear box braids. That is my specialty, okay? So I'm gonna stay in my lane and go for what I know. Next, we're gonna go face mask because this, y'all know how this came about.
Okay, remember when I slicked my hair down? Yeah, I put the wraps on my forehead too tight, and it ended up like cutting it, and it ended up like, it wasn't even a pimple. It was like a cut from the paper, from the hair wrap.
The paper, it like rubbed it raw. It was so tight you could never do it, and I sleep bad. So I woke up and it was like raw. It started swelling up, and then like it was one pimple next to it. It was like a thing. But anyway. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Skip well. Right there. Right there. What the hell? Okay, y'all gonna do what? Okay, anyway. Alright, yeah. Enough of my rambling. I'm gonna go lay down and go to sleep. This hairstyle took me like 5 hours. Honestly, because I had to wash it, I blow dried it, I sectioned it off. But I started like 4 in the morning. It's like 11 at night now. But, I didn't just sit down and just do it the whole way through. I did like the back. I took a nap. I did the middle. I went to go eat. And altogether, that's what took me about 5 hours. I don't know how many packs of hair I used. That's what she looks like.
You said working for you? Working for, okay. I ain't gonna stay right there. I'll work it for you.